Hi, welcome to Math Minute. My name is Adam, and today we're going to be talking about log laws. So what we're doing is we need to find out some quick tricks that we can use to solve equations that have logs in them. So there's four kind of sets of tricks that we're going to go over, but the first thing I want to say in review is that ln of e equals 1. So that's just something we're going to use once, and I just want to make sure you remember that. So let's first talk about multiplication. When we have ln of some number times another number all inside the log, or the ln, we can split that up into adding them together. So let's do an example. So if we had ln of 3 times 4, this equals ln of 3 plus ln of 4. Just like as we've shown, where a is 3, b is 4. We can split that up into ln of 3 plus ln of 4. So with division, it's a similar idea. But instead of adding, we're going to subtract at the end. So if we have something like ln of 4 divided by 3, all on the inside, we can split this into 2 and say ln of 4 minus ln of 3. Okay? Same idea. We're subtracting when we divide on the inside. Now let's talk about exponents. And now this is really what the goal of logarithms are. We're doing this so we can solve for variables as exponents. So if we have ln of a to some power, we can bring that power down in front. So try to think of a way how this could really be helpful when we have maybe x as an exponent. So if we had something like ln of 2 to the x, we can say this equals x times ln of 2. Now this is helpful because before this we had no idea. If we had an exponent as a variable, then how do we figure that out? Well, now if we take the logarithm, or ln of it, we can bring that x down in front. It's a little bit easier to solve now. So this has been the exponents one. Now let's talk about some really specific cases. If we have e to the ln of anything, this is just that anything. So let's do an example. E to the ln of 2 equals 2. An easy way to look at this is that these almost cancel each other out in a way. So this is just 2. Now with this, we have this same anything. We have ln of e to the anything. Using this idea, rule number 3 that we just talked about, we can bring this n down in front, as we do here. So we have n times ln of e. What was the first thing I said? ln of e is 1. So n times ln of e is just n times 1, which is just n. So if we have ln of e to a power like this, it's just that power. So let's put 2 in its place for all these cases. So now we have a specific example. ln of e squared equals 2. Just rolling through this process. Now with these, it's easy to get these mixed up sometimes and confused. And here's some common mistakes. We know when it's ln of a times b, we can split that into addition. But we know nothing about multiplying two logs together. We don't know what ln of a times ln of b equals. A common mistake is that we want to add those on the inside. It's similar to this, but it's not true. And the same idea with dividing two ln's or two logs. We can't combine the two into one log. So this has been an overview of log laws. They'll help you solve equations with logs in them. And hopefully it's been helpful, and we'll see you next time.